Ever found yourself staring blankly at a form, a website, or even a friend asking for it, and that little voice whispers, "What is my account number again?" You're not alone. It's one of those pieces of information we need but don't always have top of mind. Especially when it comes to something as important as your bank account. Now, if you're a Westpac customer, you've probably encountered their user-friendly interface and helpful services. But even with all that, locating your account number can sometimes feel like a mini treasure hunt. Fear not, because in this video, we're going to map out all the key locations where your precious Westpac account number resides. Let's start with the most tangible and often overlooked source, your physical cards. Whether it's your debit card or any other card linked to your Westpac account, your account number is usually printed right there on the front. Take a close look, and you should see a sequence of digits. That's likely it. Keep in mind that your card number, the longer set of digits, is not the same as your account number. You're looking for a shorter sequence, typically around 6 to 9 digits long. Next up, let's dive into the digital realm. In today's world, most of us manage our finances online or through mobile apps. Westpac's online banking platform and mobile app are goldmines of information, and your account number is no exception. Log into your online banking portal or open your Westpac mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to your account summary or account details page. You should find your account number clearly displayed alongside other relevant information like your balance and transaction history. This is often the quickest and most convenient way to retrieve it, especially if you're on the go. Another reliable source is your bank statements. Whether you receive them electronically or in the mail, your account number will be prominently featured at the top of each statement. These statements serve as a comprehensive record of your account activity and are a great reference point for various details, including your all-important account number. What if you don't have your card handy, can't access online banking at that moment, and your latest statement is nowhere to be found? Don't panic. Westpac offers excellent customer support. You can reach out to them via phone, and after verifying your identity for security reasons, they will be able to provide you with your account number. You can find their contact details on the official Westpac website. Finally, remember those initial account opening documents? The welcome letter or agreement you received when you first opened your Westpac account would have clearly stated your account number. While these documents might be tucked away in your filing cabinet, they are a definitive record of your account details. So, to recap, your Westpac account number can be found on your physical cards, within your online banking portal or mobile app, on your bank statements, by contacting Westpac customer support, and in your original account opening documents. With these avenues, you should be well equipped to locate your account number whenever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.